in a remote place in northern Iceland. We are in Melrakkasletta, and here scientists have been testing out their theories. Among them is a theory that, well, let them explain for us, but let's first see what it is they are examining.
Dr. Bosowitz.
Yes, Professor.
Are you aware of that you can actually get to know the species by tasting its feces?
Well, this is a really
Here we have
extreme
some example. Okay?
Okay.
Just take it and taste it. This is lamb.
I would agree that
This is lamb, isn't it? Icelandic lamb.
the sweet taste is typical for the Icelandic lamb.
Yeah. And lambakjöt, íslensk náttúruafurð.